How to log in to SoundCloud. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can log in on SoundCloud, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to log in on SoundCloud, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the SoundCloud application here. Now, before you log in, if you don't have an account, you can tap the create an account option that you can find here. Go about simply entering your account details and then you'll be able to create your account. But if you already have an account, you can tap the I already have an account menu over here, and then you should be able to simply continue with Google, your Facebook or your Apple ID, or you can just use your email address and password manually here. Once you've done this, it will take you to the page where you can confirm it, and then you'll be successfully logged in to your SoundCloud account. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically log into your SoundCloud. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.